This is not a V. It is in fact the third tone in the Mandarin language. But what happens when we have two third tones together?
你好
That would sound very strange to a native speaker. So, how do we fix it?
你好
That sounds better. Now, let's give you some more examples. Let's try and pronounce this one correctly.
美女
This one too.
海岛
Recap: when there are two third tone words, change the first third tone to second tone. It's practice time. Pronounce the following words.
老板很早好美保险可以